Hey everyone, in this video I would like to quickly talk about these products in here that I use to manage my allergic rhinitis or hay fever. Starting with this nasal spray, this is a saline solution, just a salty water. I use this to wash off the dust, pollens, or whatever allergens that manage to get inside my nose. And this one is very effective as well in thinning out the mucus so that it's easier to blow them out, and it helps moisten the nasal passages, especially during winter times when it gets really dry. The next product that I use is another nasal spray, but this one is a medicated one, and I believe it contains corticosteroids. It is meant to be used on a daily basis. I use 2 sprays on each nostrils every morning. By the way, before I spray this one, I clean up my nose first with this one, and I've read somewhere else that the absorption of this one is more effective once you moisten the nasal passages or clean your nasal passages first with this saline solution. The next product that I use is this sinus rinse. Unlike this one that is ready to be used, just spray on your nostrils, this one you have to prepare first, like water. There's a line in here of the amount of water that you have to fill, and the instruction says use lukewarm water. So I usually boil water and then cool it down, or sometimes when I feel a bit lazy, I just use bottled water and just heat it up for a little bit in a hot bath. And there's this packet, a combination of salts, so very similar to this one. So a combination of salts wherein you have to mix and you have to flush your nostrils with this one. The last product in here are these small tablets called antihistamines, and these are the rapid acting ones because there are times wherein I forget to take this on a regular basis and I do have an allergy attack. So this one doesn't act right away, and the box here says like it takes 1 to 2 days for the full effect to take place. So I resort to this one to relieve myself from too much sneezing, watery eyes, and clogged nose. That's all for this quick video about the products that I use to manage my allergic rhinitis. See you in the next one.